Here's a quick tour of the boat, so you want to have an idea of the setup. So we're in the back of the boat right now. There's, as you can see, a little dock here. Then you have here kitchen, one sofa or bed, fire oven right here. You have the command center. Control panel. Then you have the engine room right here that's open right now. The engine room is not connected to any of the, either the back cabin or the front cabin. All right, but it goes underneath the back cabin and then it stops right there for the front cabin. At the top here, in the front cabin, you have another bed here. Toilet right over there in the front. Just that makes the front of the boat.